So I'm going to have to fix my controller. The Q button, this one here, is sticking. Works, but it just every now and again it's sticking. I think that it's just been bashed over the years. It's just stuck. So I've got these. You can see that or not? Oh, put it into the light. These are the proper switches from Pioneer. So let's get this to bits. Take it apart, open it up, and see what we can do. So next thing I want to do a continuity test, just make sure that it's working. Make sure if I push down on the switch, it should click. Just like that, perfect contact. Job's beginning. Right then, so as you can see, put the board back in, all soldered, continuity test done. Let's put it back into the rig. Goes into its housing, it's quite straightforward. And then pop the wee tabs back on the ribbon holder. Get it plugged in, see what happens. So I've powered the decks up behind me. Let's see if it works. Hopefully that Q button's alright now. Go and get a wee test now, see what happens. Great, happy days. Job's getting in.